Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about JavaScript type conversion. So here you all can see converting string to numbers. So the global method, that is the number function, which converts a variable or a value into a number. So numeric string, that means in the double quotation, if you find 3.14 and if you want to convert it into number like only 3.14, no double quotation, that is one of the way. Second, an empty string like nothing is there, so it converts into what? 0. You will get answer as 0. And non-numeric string, like here in double quotation we have a John or something like this, it converts this into NaN, which is nothing but not a number. So in the next slide we have the example. So here you all can see, if we talk about directly script part or script section actually, so number 3.14, it will be number 3.14 without double quotation. Then value of math.py, it is 3.1415926535897993. If it is double quotation nothing, it means 0. Double quotation, if it no space also, still it is 0. And if it is 99 then space 88, it is not a number, that's why it is NaN. And if it is John, again it is not a number, so it is nothing but what? NaN. Converting numbers into string also, it is also possible. The global method, that is the string function, can convert numbers into what? String. So let's check the script section first. Let x equal to 1 2 3 and document.get element by id, and in double quotation we have demo because in our code paragraph id equal to demo. The same name we have to write over here also. Dot inner HTML equal to string of x, means convert whatever is x into string, that is 1 2 3. String of 1 2 3, so whatever is number, it will get converted into 1 2 3. And if it is string and 100 plus 23, so first addition, that is 123, and then it will convert into what? String. So that is all about type conversion in JavaScript. Thank you everyone.